In this quick video, I will show you how to make text bigger or smaller using the accessibility menu. Simple steps for clearer reading. Let's start by opening your phone's settings. Look for the little gear icon and tap it. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you see accessibility and tap to open. Under Vision Enhancements, you'll see tools to make text easier to read. For this video, we'll focus on font and style. Tap it, then use the slider to adjust the text size until it feels comfortable. At the top of the screen, you'll see a live preview of the size you've chosen. If you'd like your text to stand out even more, you can also turn on the bold font option. Thanks for watching with us at Silvertech. We hope this was helpful and stay tuned for more simple tech how-tos.